your first living area space. As you can already see, this is divided into different spaces. So you have one already has a different space area unit on this side. So here's presenting the Pearl by Oro Realty. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today we will be doing the sample flat of Pearl by Oro Realty, which is located opposite to IKEA in Hi-Tech City, Hyderabad. But before starting, let me show you the surroundings of the project. So this is going to be your marketing office and your land parcel is also exactly over here. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So stop going here and there and book your dream home directly through Housey. Coming over to the project overview, you see this project is constructed on 8.54 acres of land parcel featuring 7 towers with ground plus 27 to 33 floors having 4 BHK premium residences. Now let's have a look at the amenities part. So first over here you have your grand clubhouse, which is going to be 62,000 square feet, which is again of 3 levels. And then over there, if you see, you have your indoor and outdoor sports court. Then you also have your outdoor gym for adults and a lot more. Coming over to the location part, as you can see, this is the exact location of the project, which is located opposite to IKEA in Hi-Tech City, Hyderabad. And this is going to be your entire connectivity. So from that side, you easily get connected to your Hi-Tech City area, your Hi-Tech City metro station and other places. Now, when we talk about connectivity, the Nexus Mall is just 3.2 kilometers away from here. The Hi-Tech City metro station is 2.4 kilometers away and the Yashoda Hospital is just 0.5 kilometers from here. Hello everyone, now we'll be doing the sample flat tour for Pearl for 4 BHK and the configuration for that is 5,400. Now as you enter, you first have this huge door system which also has proper lock system, so you can either add your thumb or you can also add your passcodes. If you already notice, the door already has a very unique design for the house. Now, as soon as we come to our entrance, this is a very beautifully designed house which has a lot of different space corners. So your first entrance, when you look at this corner, you will have your small office area space over here. This is what it will look like. This is also again extremely spacious. You already have inbuilt AC system on the ceiling. And the best part about this is going to be that it has a private balcony. So this is what your balcony looks like. This is again extremely very spacious. It has wooden structure given to it. Also has glassware all around. You have proper city access view from your balcony area. And other thing about this balcony is that it also easily connects you to your other living area space or your home theater. Now this space also has an attached door which directly leads you to the outside and also has your lock system. Moving forward with our first space unit of living area. So this is going to be your first living area space. As you can already see, this is extremely very spacious and designed in a very modern, luxurious way. And the other best part is that right opposite to that, you also have this other corner area space. If you want, you can change that, turn that into your puja corner. Or if you want, you can even turn that into your yoga area. However you want to design that specific area space. Now, like I mentioned, the balcony that gets you close to your office area is here in this room. So if you want, you can turn this into your mini home theater area. This is also again extremely spacious. You have a lot of space area to add your couches. Here again, you have inbuilt AC and light system. You also have your fan area space. And if you notice here again, the balcony comes. That is what I was talking about. So your balcony area, this was the one that easily connects you to your small office area home space. Now, the other best part about this room is also that it again has your private washroom area, which is again very spacious for a private washroom like space. You also have your proper shower system inside of this, which has proper glassware. You have proper lighting around your mirror system and enough space for your toiletry, and the tiling and flooring again is amazing. You also have your exhaust fan system. Now, moving forward with our second living area space. So your second living area space is going to be on this corner. As you can already tell, this is also again extremely spacious, starts all the way from that corner up to this corner. And if you want, you can add a lot of couches here. You can turn this into your guest area, meeting area. You have beautiful lightings already inbuilt over here as well. And again, right in front of this space as well, you will have your open or your common washroom, which has light automation system as soon as you walk in. If you notice, this is also again very spacious. The tiling and flooring here again is very beautifully set. Now, this specific living area also has an attached balcony, which is again very spacious. You can add your tables and chairs, design it however you like. It is also again extremely very spacious. So this is what your entire balcony system is going to look like. You also have your proper glassware. You can have your outside view from here as well. And you have two different door systems attached that easily connect you to your two different rooms from here. Now, moving forward with our third living area or your dining area space, this is what it is also going to look like. If you notice, this is also given a very modern, like open kitchen area space right in front of your kitchen. And again, this unique place is designed very beautifully. So you have one corner space over here to design your house. And then this whole entire unit of your space area can be accessorized by adding whatever you like. And again, this also comes with an attached balcony, which is again extremely very spacious. So this is what your attached balcony looks like. You can add your tables, chairs over here as well. And you have direct outside view access point of the area. Again, with the space area that you have this side, you can add an extra wash basin, which is helpful for your dining and your kitchen area. Coming over to our kitchen area also again is divided into different spaces. So you have one space there, this is your kitchen area space, and you have other kitchen area space on this side with your attached balcony. Now, if you notice, the kitchen also is designed very beautifully. You have space for your fridge on this corner. You can add your ovens on here, and the tiling and flooring, if you notice, again for kitchen is very unique like. And because the height ceiling is given perfectly, you can add a lot of storage units all around in your kitchen area. Now, coming to our other space area, so this is can be turned into your storage room for your food. You can design it however you like, or you can even turn it into your small resting area for kitchen. And then coming over to our second part of the kitchen. Now, coming to our second part of the kitchen, so this is going to be your other kitchen unit area space. You can already have here your chimney that is there. You have electric switches. You also have storage units on this corner. You have your sink properly placed, and your kitchen also again comes with an attached balcony. You can use this corner of your balcony for adding your washing machine space, for washing your clothes. You have drainage and your tap system over there, and again enough ventilation, sunlight coming throughout your entire balcony space. If you notice, your kitchen also has these slide doors. So if you want, you can design it that way, or you can change the pattern. Now, coming over to our first bedroom, this is very close again to your second living area space. So this is going to be your entire room. Now, this room can be used as your kids' bedroom. If you notice, this is also very spacious. You have a lot of space as soon as you walk in the area, which is very nice for kids to play, and then you can place your bookshelf on this corner. Your bedding comes on that corner. You have study table placed, and you still have a lot of space area on both sides of the bed. Now both sides of the bed also have this open window access system, and this was the door that easily connects you to your balcony area. Now coming to the other space of the room, you also get here a walk-in closet which has huge walk-in space. Your dressing table can come on this corner, and you also have a very beautiful attached washroom. This also has automated light system inside. Your mirroring, if you also see, also has proper light system. You have huge spacious washroom. The sink of the washroom is also very spacious. You also have glassware all around your showering system. You have your toilet area space and your exhaust fan as well. Now coming over to our second bedroom, this is also again very close to your first space area that we saw. So this is what your space of the room looks like. Again, if you notice, this also has a lot of walk-in area space. The best part about the house is that every room that you enter, you have a lot of space units, which means it does not look chaotic. You also here again have your inbuilt AC system, and this room also again comes with a perfect attached balcony. So this is your room's private balcony. This balcony also gives you direct access from the outside. You have light switch, you have drainage switch. You can also add your flower pots over here and design it beautifully again. Now this room also has your space area again for your walk-in closet. This is what it looks like. And then right in front of that, you will find your washroom. Your washroom here again has proper tiling and flooring, and also comes with a separate mirror that is given over this corner, and then you have your shower system divided by glassware, and you have your exhaust fan. Now we'll be going to our master bedroom. Before we go into our master bedroom, let me quickly tell you all about Housey. So as soon as you go to Housey's website, you get all the information that you need about the project, like location, and we give you actual location tours of the project, EMI, down payment, exclusive pricing details. You will also find a 360 virtual tour of the project. Now, if you want to come for site visit, which is completely free, you can either click on the link which is mentioned in the description below, or you can go to Housey's official website. So this is what your master bedroom is going to look like. Your master bedroom is of course comparatively much more spacious to all the other rooms that we saw. So this room already has a different space area unit on this side of the corner, which can be easily turned into your dressing area corner, or which can be used for your study area. And because you have proper window system given over here, it will be very helpful for ventilation and lighting as well. Then if you notice this side of the room corner, again you have a lot of area to walk, and over here as well, again if you want, you can add plant or a small couch, turn it into a cozy area, because here again you have your other window system place. And then again this master bedroom also comes with your attached balcony. This is what your balcony looks like. Enough space for you to stand, enough space for you to place your pots, and you have glass railings over here and perfect outside view from here as well. And then again in this room, if you notice, you have your separate different corner area space for your walk-in closet. So this is again very spacious. This whole corner unit space is there, and your washroom now that comes over here is very spacious, just like your master bedroom. So you have huge basin systems on the corner, two different mirrors that are given, tiling and flooring again uniquely done inside the washroom. And as you can see, shower area space is different, divided by your glassware, and your toilet space has a different space. Again, you have proper unit storage space given, everything designed uniquely. Now this room's door also attaches you to the balcony that I said, which takes you also to your kids area room. So everyone, that was all that you needed to know about Pearl. Hope you liked this amazing houses walkthrough. For more such amazing walkthroughs, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.